Thanks for watching the replay. If you are watching the replay, please type replay. If you are watching me live, say hello. Today we are going to be doing a tie-dye. Because yesterday I asked on the live if anyone wanted to see how to do tie-dye, and somebody did. So give me a minute so that I can just go ahead and share this to my other page. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Wednesday. I know I am. Already starting off well because I have coffee. Okay, and one more. Shift to a page. Also, if you guys want to be in my VIP group, I have a VIP group that I put specials and deals and stuff in. If you want to be in that group, you comment VIP, and so that I could get you in that group, because there's special stuff in there. Stuff that I don't put on my timeline or my public page or anything like that. So yeah. So our new catalog launched Monday, and it was our biggest sales since the company started. The new catalog is so awesome, so if you want to check it out, let me know and I'll hook you up, because there's some awesome new designs. I bought a bunch of stuff. I can't wait for it to get here. Okay, so what we are going to do today is I'm going to show you how to do a tie-dye. And so I know we just did hello yesterday, but this will be a good one for me to show you how to do the tie-dye. So I figured we're just gonna do hello again, and we're gonna do it on a board and base, which is like this. We sell these too, if you're interested. These are awesome little signs. You can do it this way, you can do it that way, whatever. But okay, so but that's a surface that we have that I really like. Check on baby. Okay. Woo. It's always something, right? Okay. So I'm going to show you guys how to do tie-dye. Okay, so these are the colors that I chose that I want to do my tie-dye effect in. So I've got lemon yellow, grape soda, currant jam, and couture teal. Okay, so I'm going to use my multi-tool because it'll be easier to put the different colors on with this tool versus a huge squeegee. So let's get started. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my colors and I'm just gonna dab a little bit of color on there in different areas. So like this. Just gonna dab a little bit of color. Okay, and then I'm going to clean that, and I'm going to move on to my next color, and I'm going to do the same thing. So let's use yellow so that when these mix, they'll also give us green. So once again, just going to dab this random places. Okay, And now we are going to clean this up, and I'm going to move on to my next color. Clean that off. I need to get another one of these. This is like my favorite tool ever. I'm sure you've probably heard me say that 1,000 times. Okay. So now we're going to move on to this current jam color. I'm just going to stick some of it, again, random places, anywhere you want. Okay, scrape that off. And the last color I'm doing is purple, called Grape Soda. I like it because it's like a bright purple. Okay. Yeah, I need another one of these. Use this all the time. Okay. So now we're going to take some of the purple and dab it on there. Again, just pick some open spots to put it. All right, so now what we're gonna do is, so you can use this multi-tool, and we're gonna smear the colors together. Now you can use the multi-tool and do that, or what I like to do is I like to use my finger. I feel like I have a little bit more control with my finger. I don't know. Maybe I just like being messy. But I've got this wet wipe here so that I can wipe my finger off on it as I go along. Oh, her swing keeps stopping. Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay, so I like to use my pinky finger, and I'm just going to rub the colors together. Like so. So basically you just want to rub in between. So where there's a blank space, you want to kind of take those two colors and mix them together to fill in that space. So that is what I'm doing. So wherever there is an open space where there's no ink, and I just got this on there, but that's okay because luckily it wipes off. Okay, so yeah, so I'm just gonna smear these together wherever there's an open space. And I'm cleaning my finger off as I go because I don't want all the colors to get smeared everywhere. So like I don't want me to be mixing blue like all over the place. I want to try to keep the colors a little bit separate, because if I just smear it all together, then we're just gonna get whatever all those colors make when they go together. Brown or something, I don't know. So okay, what's the matter, baby? What's the matter? It's so funny. She's usually super content, and then once I turn on the live, that's when she starts getting fussy. It's like she knows like that I'm not paying attention to her right now. Okay, so let me get this done. So I'm just gonna keep on doing this. I'm almost done. Almost done here. And like I said, you don't have to use your finger and get all messy like I am. You can use this multi-tool. I just like to use my finger because I feel like I have more control over the color blending. Okay, so we are almost done. So then once I'm done mixing all these colors, I am going to scrape off the excess like I would in any other project. And then we're gonna peel and reveal. So pretty excited because this is gonna be cool. But yeah, so there's tons of different effects that you can do with this by blending colors. Blending colors is my favorite because I feel like you can be really creative. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see, did we cover everything? Yes. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in here with my squeegee and I am going to scrape off the excess. Not a whole lot of excess. Blended it all. Yeah, it wasn't a whole lot. Okay. Just try that one more time. Okay. All right, now we are going to peel it and reveal it. Check that out. Okay. I did mess up in a couple of spots, but that's okay. You can see that? Look how awesome that looks. So that's like how you do a tie-dye effect. It's pretty awesome. You can do it with whatever colors that you want. I really like how this turned out. So, rule of thumb though. So you can see, I'm just gonna show you right here, because it's okay to make mistakes, but you see right here where I have like these spots. I actually don't mind it because it looks like it's tie-dye, like vintage tie-dye, like it's supposed to be like that. Let's see. But you can see how some of the spots peeled up, and I'm gonna tell you why that happened. Okay, so if you're doing something like this that's gonna take a long time, instead of just, normally you would put the ink on there. Hi, Mary. Hi. I'm teaching everyone how to do tie-dye, and I really love how this turned out. But if you're doing something like this that takes a long time, instead of just putting your ink on and then peeling, this takes a little bit more time. What you want to do is you want to keep it moist. So like take your wet towel and lay it on top so that it stays, so that the ink isn't drying with the transfer still stuck on. Because what's going to happen there is when I peel it off, as you can see, some of my colors got stuck on here, and that's why it didn't go to the board. So what would have been a good idea for me to do was to take an extra one of these wet wipes and lay it over top of one side, so that while I'm working on this side's staying moist. And the cool thing about this is if I got anything on any of the edges, I can just wipe it off. And I can always change up this board to do something else. But there's our tie-dye. I'm a fan. All right, so I'm gonna see what other techniques that I can bring to you guys. If there's something that you want to see, go ahead and comment below, and I'll see what I can do if I can get that for us tomorrow. But other than that, that is how you tie-dye. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday. And like I said, let me know if you need to get into my VIP group, if you want to see our new catalog, or if you're interested in the business opportunity, actually, feel free to message me, because I've got some good information to share with you on that. So I would love to chat if you are interested, but how fun is it all day long? So Mary, I did the ombre effect yesterday. So I will tag you in that video, but I did the ombre effect yesterday. It turned out really good. Funny thing is I did the same transfer, the hello transfer. But I'll show that to you. And I hung it on my door. I actually really like it. So, okay. I will chat with you guys later, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.